Meghalaya Education Minister Lahkmen Rymbui on Tuesday said that the cabinet acted on its own limited financial resources by providing enhanced grant and aid to ad hoc teachers. When asked about the demand of the teachers for increment of Rs 18,000 for all categories, Rymbui said that whatever decided was according to the financial position of the state and it was the best decision. Regarding the 5% annual increment, he said that the government will look into it.
It is not it is easier said than done. So whatever the Honorable Cabinet have decided yesterday, that's why it's a very balanced decision and the best taking into consideration the situation which the state of Meghalaya is facing. We talk about the quantum. The quantum is to be decided by the Cabinet, not only by the Education Department or by somebody. So that's why I think it's a balanced decision, taking into consideration the situation faced in the state